Right, ladies and gentlemen, today just going to be welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm just going to be potting on. Got some plug petunias. These are from Thompson and Morgan. These brilliant things, which I absolutely love. So make sure that's on properly. There it is. So yeah, these are 12-inch pots. I've filled them with a peat-free compost from Westland multi-purpose peat-free. There you go, with some John Innes in there. All you want to do is keep these bags. Use my scissors. That's all I do. Use my scissors. Put them in here, cut round. It's absolutely magic. So what we're going to be doing with these is putting some of these up now. I'm going to give you a variety of these. Get these out first, if I can. These are, which will be labelled separately. This one is Petunia Titan White. That I'm going to put 3 of these per basket. That way, I don't have to do everything I need to do, which is brilliant. I can't remember what everything's actually in here. Let's find out. What's this one? This one. And the giant white. I think we have 2 giant whites, and then let's see what else we can find in here, shall we? We have hot pink, this one. So that will be a really nice contrast. That one's a hot pink. So if I put 2 hot pinks in with 2 white, I think that would just about cover it. That'd be great. Hope everybody's keeping okay. But yeah, these should look down there. See that? These need spraying. They can suffer with powdery mildew. So, after being damp in the greenhouse, I shall get that planted. All to then is just top it off with a little bit of peat-free compost, just round, so they're at the same level they were when they were in the pots. You don't want to plant them any deeper. You can give these a water if your compost is dry, but this is absolutely saturated because it's been stored outside this, so this does not need a watering or a feeding it, or because it's been fed before. So yeah, that is those done. As you can probably see with this one, this is what happens when it's too wet. These have been overwatered, which is my fault in the greenhouse. But there should be 2 white and 2 hot pinks in there, I hope. So what we're going to do with these now is we shall hang them from up here. I'll just show you in a second. So yeah, that's my first Thompson & Morgan Petunia plug plant hanging basket. Still got these to plant up, as you can see. Got these out in the open now. Plenty of sun on them, so that'll help dry them. Stop the rot. I just want to show you down here. These are absolutely amazing. These, I love these. Look at those. Wow. Just only got, I think there's only 3 there. Just turn these around. So when it goes to the back, yep. So yep. So yeah, beautiful red ones as well. First time I've had red petunias. So yeah, that's those done. I shall go and get some more hanging baskets and do the rest. I've got another one to go up there, another one to go up there. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything in my greenhouse or garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. Oh, by the way, feed-wise, I now feed them twice a week with a multi-purpose Miracle Grow or a Tamarite, which really helps. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden or greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe and like. I really do appreciate it. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.